Facebook, let's start Facebook advertising. Now, first thing before you start any ad on Facebook, we are going straight. I'm not going to give you introduction. I think everybody understand what Facebook means. All right, so Facebook, you already know what Facebook is all about, right? Facebook, and now it's now Metaverse. It's now Metaverse. It's owned by Facebook. Facebook now moved. I think very soon they're going to change the name Facebook entirely in the whole platform. They're just changing it little by little. They don't know how to now say, okay, there's no more Facebook, it's now Metaverse. But they're going to change it eventually at the end of the day. Now, what people does is this. When they want to boost posts, let me go to a page. Let me go to my Ficus TV. I'm going to be using this Ficus TV. So when people want to boost, they come here. Normally, what people want to boost, they come here. They all do what? Boost, right? Or on their phone, they just click the boost. They come here, click whatever they know. Now, click whatever they know, type whatever they know, then eventually they try their card, it works, then it starts going, right? It starts going. Now, that is not the best way of doing it. Then when the ad is over, they now go back to their normal life. Next time again they come, they look, okay, this post, maybe when Facebook alert them, I mean, most of you have seen it. This post is performing very well. Boost it to reach 1,000 person, 5,000 person with 500. They're advertising it. So you now say, okay, it's cool. It's my post. You go give me money. You now click boost again. You now come back and boost again. Then you now do again. Another time will come. You after maybe if you add maybe like you add 2,000 for the entire this thing. After like 4-5 days, the thing now expire. You now come back again. It expire. You now move on with your life, right? But now that is not the way advertisement is supposed to be done. Are you with me? Yes. Advertisement is supposed to be done with one, a goal in mind. Are you with me? Yes. Number one, you must have a goal in mind. What do I need to achieve with this advertisement that I want to start? Like when I was preparing for this course, we had a strategy. I told my guys to draw a strategy for me how we can use to promote the course, to sell online. We came up with like 4 or 5. I tell them to write. They came up with another one. I also brought my own. So we draw out a map how we could attract people to buy the course, to buy the live webinar, what we are doing now. Now, one of the strategy was to use Facebook advertising, most definitely. Was to use Facebook what? Advertising. One of the strategies to use WhatsApp broadcast message. One of the strategy was to use, we had radio in mind, we had radio commercial in mind and the rest. But we didn't use that again. We discovered that we have the strength to pull the numbers we are looking for online, which we did. The class was filled up. The 10 people they paid, even though they didn't show up. That concern them now, Nabi. People person no come. When I finish, I record, I edit, I send give you. But they paid, 10 people paid online. I have a couple of people that paid online. So that means we met the goal. The goal was to get 10 people in this place. Because this place, even though all of them will come safe, I knew all of them will not come. We'll not be able to take 10 persons in this place. Not be able to take 10 persons in this place. But I just knew, let me just do 10, just in case they might just decided to show up. So, but the point is that we had a goal. The goal was to drive traffic, to get 10 people to come into the studio, to pay, not free. They will now get some other, we can do 100 on Zoom, so that one was open to as many people as possible. So I think that one I did 40, but we didn't go up to 40. I think we got up to like, I think I sold up to like 10 or 15 of it. Now, the point is this. I had a goal in mind. So when I'm going to Facebook now, I'm going to be running my ad with those goals in mind. I don't just go and boost the post and wait for miracle to happen, right? So when I boost the post, I'll use the word boost. That is what people can actually, if I promote the post, I'll just use the word boost. So when I boost the post that I did, so some of the posts were not even organic, were not even posted on the page, were just strictly ad. So when I did the campaign, I did one, I did the second one, I did the free one, I did the other one, all the strategy. So I was checking the analytics. That's what we call analytics of your ads. You need to be checking which is working, which is not working, which people are paying attention. Do I need to retarget them? Do I need to start showing them another video? Or do I need to show them the video over and over? If they shut me up, do I need to call them? You can't get that when you are boosting from the front. So the only way you can get that, but what you want to do now, please write it down. You need to be logging on your Facebook and you need to go to the Metaverse Business Suite. How do you access Metaverse Business Suite? The only way you can access it is very simple. So the only way we can access it is through this address, the Metaverse Business Suite. Business, please, you need to write this down. All this address I'm giving to you so that you will not be asking too much. Business.facebook. They'll change this URL very soon. .facebook.com. Business.facebook.com. If you did it properly, you should see something like this.
From your browser.
Now, if you use your phone, yeah, you can use your phone, you can use your laptop. But the best way if you're creating ad is your laptop. The best way if you're creating ad is your laptop. But if you don't have laptop, you can still use phone. From your browser, please, not from your app. App it will not show. You can't access web address with app now. So it has to be from your browser. So when you type this in your browser, if you are using laptop, this is what you see. Now, this is Meta Business Suite. Now, there are lots of business accounts here. We have Ficus Life. He has almost like 3 pages, 4 pages. We have Austin Okolo Business. We have Best Breed. We have Eden Lounge. We have Rosemary Goji. We have Niemi Kotor. We have Untold. We have Kill Baba Johnson. We have Mudiaga. So we have whole lots of accounts here. Now, these accounts, you can manage them different. That is the advantage of it. But if you have not opened here before, you are going to just see just one. Just maybe only your name. Now, this part, you can do a lot more than ad. But where we are concerned about, when we want to run ad, you go to all tools. Remember, this is a business suite. It's not for advert alone. You can manage page here, you can create posts from here, you can do whole lots from here. So you go to that all suite. You now see engage with customer, inbox planner, post and stories, billings, business app, file manager, page, wherever, ad manager, audience, event. So if you want to run an ad now, you go to ad manager. If you try it and it shows you something different, that means it's the first time you are doing it. But normally it will create an account for you, even though you don't have an account. From here now, I can create my ad, but I'm not going to create ad today. Trust me. We have to shut down now for it. So, but the things I want you to understand is, to access this place, you need to access your business Meta Business Suite using the address business.facebook.com. So with this address now, you should be able to access your ad manager using these tools, ad manager. So with this ad manager now, you should be able to start creating your ad and the rest. So tomorrow we'll create a demo ad. After creating an ad, I'll now show you some ad I've created, some things you need to just take note of. Maybe if you create your own ad and it's delivered, you'll now be checking those things to see what I've told you. So tomorrow.